This is, I don't know what story number this is. Let's call it number 4. Could be number 4. Now I'm practicing law for real. And this was not the screwdriver case, which is mentioned either before or after this. But it was a funny case, I think. So I'm sitting in court, in Provincial Court, which is strictly for criminal cases, waiting for my case to be called, probably a big impaired driving case or some such thing. And who do I see? But I see an old friend sitting in the body of the courtroom. And he was a friend I knew in public school. We played baseball together when we were 8 to 15 years old or something like that. And he was the biggest thief imaginable. When we were playing baseball together, after the game, he'd go into a grocery store or a supermarket and he'd come out with a watermelon and a case of Coke or something under his arm, and didn't pay for a thing. His house was full of stolen baseball bats and gloves from the playground where we belong. And his name, oddly enough, was Jim Kruk, honestly, Kruk. So Jim had a very visible history of larceny and being on the bad side of the law. And here he was in provincial court. And I was, I say, young lawyer, 1 or 2 years out. So I go up to Jim and say, "Hey, Jim, what are you doing here, man? You need a lawyer." He said, "It's okay, Dave, don't worry about it." He said, No, you should never, Jim, you should never be in this kind of situation without getting legal advice. I'll do it for nothing for you. He said, No, it's okay. So after a while, my persistence wears thin. I sit down, waiting for my case to be called, and the case ahead of me starts. The Crown Attorney says, "My first witness is police officer," you got it, Crook. I couldn't believe it. Jim was a cop. He was too embarrassed to tell me. Any event, it was a funny moment.